Recording in progress.
Good morning, good day, good evening, wherever you are in the world. Thank you for coming to my channel, Day Trading with Crypto Cam. I am Crypto Cam. On my channel, we go over the hottest cryptos in the crypto space. We also go over the short-term and the long-term perspective. So for my day traders, you know what to expect. And then also for my long-term holders, you have an outlook on what the future is going to show. Let's just go ahead and jump in. Today, we're going to be looking at Xen Crypto. I've already been over Xen one time. There's a big community for Xen. So I want, everybody told me, you know, we want more content. So just giving you guys an update on what you guys want to hear about. Keep in mind, this is not financial advice. This is just a guy on the charts, just showing what the chart is showing him. And then if you like the information that I am providing, don't forget to smash the like and the subscribe button for your boy. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump into Xen. All right, so for the shorter time frame, I always like to look at the 5-minute. The 5-minute time frame basically shows me what's going to transpire in a shorter period of time, right? So that's why I like the 5-minute. Typically, the 5-minute will play out in like a day or two, you know, on average. So this is Xen. This is the 5-minute time frame. And essentially what Xen is doing is it's flagging. So for all of my people that I tutor, for all my people that I teach how to day trade, we were actually going over these projections yesterday. And basically right here, you can see that Xen is doing exactly what it's been doing, which is flagging to the upside. So if we go from here to here, this will give you the measured move of the flag. This is a falling wedge. You see price come down, and this flag pattern will basically tell you what price is going to break out to. So if we just go from where you think price is going to break out, you'll see that essentially it lines up exactly with my measured move, right? And then I had a further projection on Xen. I was expecting it to basically go 30% from the following measured move. It did exactly that. So we can see right now, Xen is up 30% from yesterday. What I was anticipating is once it hit this 30%, it would do a pullback. So right now we're just in the vicinity of that transpiring. But if I do some detailed analysis, just based upon what I see right here, let's see what I actually see forming. All right. All right, so this pattern that I see right here, this is an inverted head and shoulders pattern. So head and shoulders patterns, if they're right side up, so if it looked like this would be a bearish pattern. So you would expect it to actually break down. But in this case, because the pattern is like this, it's inverted. So that means the opposite's going to happen. So instead of it actually going down, the price is going to go up. So I'm anticipating essentially price to do this in the short term. Price come down into here, up here, and then it's going to continue to the upside. Now, for the measured move for that, in the short-term projection, left ear, the right ear, there. Okay. All right. All right. So on the 5-minute time frame, in the short term, I would basically say you're safe with about another 15% coming, which also makes sense because it's going to come back and test this high. So yeah, expect another 15-20% coming out of Xen on the shorter time frame once this inverted head and shoulders plays out. Keep in mind though, once price gets here, and this is for all my short term, all my day traders, once price gets here, this is where it's going to basically start to stall, because this is where it's going to have resistance, right? So you're looking for Xen to break this zone, and then if it breaks this zone, then you can expect it to come back, test support, and then move higher. So if we go to a longer term perspective, a longer time frame, let's just take a look at it. All right. Okay, so 4 hours not really telling me much. Let me go to the 1 hour, see if I can paint a better picture for you guys. All right. Yeah, so I basically would be waiting for this to test this region where it just tapped right here, that almost that O1 mark, right? And then from there, this pattern we can use if it holds support. And this is what is called projecting. So I'm not going to be 100% accurate, but my TA is pretty good. If you watch my videos, I'm bang on most of the time. But on the 1 hour time frame, based upon the projection, it looks like we have another 50% coming out of Xen Crypto. So expect 0, 0, 0, 0, bunch of zeros. Let's call it 5 zeros, 4, 3, 7. 51% one gains coming for Xen Crypto. Make sure you hit the like, hit the subscribe. This is not financial advice. It's just a guy in the charts. Thank you for coming to my channel. Peace.